Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel name on iPhone. So let's get started. First open YouTube app on your iPhone. Now tap on profile icon at the top right side. Now tap on your channel option. Tap on pencil icon which is for editing next to manage videos. Now tap on pencil icon next to the name. Tap on name and now you can change the name to whatever you like. Once done, tap on save button at the top and your YouTube channel name will be changed. So that is how you can change YouTube channel name on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.